timelines are a great way to display data. Let's see if we can make one in Google Sheets. So here I've got some dates here and some things that have happened. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight column A, and using the paint can, I'm going to color this one purple, and I'm going to highlight the B column and color this one green. And now I'm going to highlight all of the data that is in those two columns, and I'm going to insert a timeline. Give it just a second to create it, and boom, there's my timeline. You're gonna say, hey, what happened to the data? It's on another tab. So right now the color scheme is purple on my timeline. But if I go over here where it says card color, it's pulling from column A, so I'm going to go ahead and pull from column B, and now it's going to be green. If I chose no option, it would be white. There are a lot of other options that you can do in here to customize your timeline. And of course, your kids are going to figure it out pretty good. You can also edit the data. All right, but check this out at the bottom. You're going to see timeline 1. That's because it put it in a new tab. All of your data is still safe on the other tab. It's just it created a timeline from that data. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.